Very good morning, dear kids. In today's EvS class, we will write 6 names of wild animals. WILD wild, ANIMALS animals, wild animals. So, open your EvS copy, write down the date 18th September 2021, day Saturday, September. Then write down the question. WRIT write 6 NAMES names OF of WILD wild ANIMALS animals. Write 6 names of wild animals. First is LION lion. Second is TIGER tiger. Third is ZEBRA zebra. Fourth is FOX fox. Fifth is BEAR bear. Sixth is SNAKE snake. That's all for today. You have to do this work in your EvS copy. Thank you and take care.